We've talked about the benefits of transcendental meditation for the brain and mental abilities. Now let us look at how transcendental meditation improves health. When the mind settles down during the practice of transcendental meditation, the body gains a unique quality of deep rest, which dissolves deep stress in a natural way. In fact, research shows that transcendental meditation produces a unique state of deep rest. Here are 3 indicators of deep rest that show this result. On the left, during transcendental meditation, respiration or breathing rate decreases significantly, which is a sign of deep rest. In the middle, lower skin conductance, an indication of greater calm and less anxiety, is also created through transcendental meditation. And at the right, plasma lactate, which is also associated with anxiety, has been found to significantly decrease through transcendental meditation. Typically, plasma level lactate is less when the body is in a state of rest. This deep rest produced by transcendental meditation has also been shown to reduce trait anxiety greatly, as we can see in this chart. Now, trait anxiety refers to the ongoing general experience of anxiety, rather than anxiety about a specific event. Here are some results of a major Stanford University study based on 146 separate published studies on transcendental meditation and trait anxiety, compared to other meditations and relaxation techniques. The conclusion of this meta-analysis was that the transcendental meditation technique, the blue bar at the top, is markedly more effective than other techniques in reducing trait anxiety. One group in society with severe anxiety is war veterans suffering from post-traumatic stress disorder, or PTSD. This chart shows highly significant reduction in psychological distress after 6 months among U.S. veterans practicing transcendental meditation, as compared to a control group in which the stress was found to increase. One group in society, we're talking about war veterans suffering from PTSD. This chart shows a $2.4 million randomized control study, the most rigorous research design, sponsored by the U.S. Department of Defense. Yet again, this study showed a highly significant reduction in PTSD symptoms after 3 months among U.S. veterans practicing transcendental meditation. The transcendental meditation group also did as well or better than the other group, which received prolonged exposure treatment, during which veterans re-experienced the conditions of stress, which is the most common treatment for PTSD as used by the U.S. Veterans Administration. This study, published in a leading journal, received extensive media attention. In the U.S., Maharishi University of Management Research Institution, in partnership with the U.S. Veterans Administration Medical Center in San Diego, California, received that $2.4 million grant from the U.S. Department of Defense, which we talked about. Veterans and military personnel in many other countries are also using transcendental meditation to treat post-traumatic stress disorder. Another area of scientific research in which transcendental meditation has been shown to be notably effective is the health of the heart. Now, heart disease, as some of you may know or be affected by, is the main cause of death in the world's population. And according to medical research, it is almost entirely preventable. Now, many scientific studies have shown transcendental meditation significantly improves the health of the heart by reducing risk factors for heart disease, including reduced stress levels, reduced high blood pressure, reduced cholesterol, and reduced insulin resistance.